T is for train on tracks so long, traveling far with passengers inside. T is for tomato, juicy and red, a garden favorite sliced on bread. T is for tree, tall and grand, with branches and leaves that shade the land. T is for table, sturdy and wide, a place for meals and gatherings side by side. T is for tiger, fierce and strong, with stripes and a roar where it belongs. T is for turtle, slow and wise, with a shell on its back and gentle eyes. T is for tent, a shelter outdoors, perfect for camping and adventures. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe.